my truck that cut over like 2 lanes. Anyways, we're heading to Mark's house for the Superstreet meet today down at the Lemay Car Museum. I haven't really slept, and it's raining, so obviously a very good thing. That means speeding. It's okay, my odometer's off by 20 miles an hour, so go very slow. Look at that guy. That guy's going fast.
So we have arrived. You can pull. I think maybe we'll see if the RWB starts first. I think you just leave it there for now. So Sergio has showed up. So now we're just waiting on John and what's that?
Who else is here?
It's just me and Charles. Charles stayed at Mark's.
Slept at all?
No. I slept for like an hour. My car. And this is the R34. Charles' R34 that he drove down. 19-inch TEs, and I believe I'll miss most stuff. It's still raining. Car meets app. Car meets app. So I'm assuming it won't start.
I think it's something else. I don't think it's the battery.
It's turning over.
Yeah, see?
This is a problem.
Wonder what it is.
Good morning, old man.
Oh, long time no see. How you been? Good.
I didn't even sleep and you're this tired.
I'm old.
Oh wait, you're older than this car. No bueno.
Yep, definitely not the battery. Okay, just take the 34 then. Ouch! I'm so scared. Okay.
I was just like, nah, I'm not gonna drive it anymore.
Here's Joe. We haven't seen Joe in a long time.
It's been a minute.
This is J.A. Banana. I mean Bonija, but banana.
Either one works. Banana man.
His Evo has definitely changed since the last time you guys never saw it.
Right.
It's Defender.
It's easy to forget that.
That's pretty dope.
Reunion. It's too busy for us now.
Until next year. 2020.
2025 actually make
Yeah,
that.
probably.
I know. Fucking asshole. He's like, you gotta get the ones with the center caps. I'm like, no, I don't want those
shit's
though.
good. You need the deep pockets.
And
I think I'm gonna get a set for the too.
you should have done that from the start.
Yeah.
So got new brakes, front and rear for the RX-7. You have Joe's on CE's on the driver's side, and then Z's on the other side. And then he has the carbon fiber wing stands from Renegade, Tomei exhaust, and this Ganador's Tesla. Oh, I got that little extension for it. It feels like a motorcycle. Better than nothing. Yeah, I was gonna stand it another day. So now the 34 is out. And then lots of black cars, and black cars, and one white car, surprisingly. This is only John's car. That's gonna be white. And then, yeah, I just sprayed it, painted gloss black on my wheels. That's what he's talking about. And then I pinstripe. I did a black pinstripe over the lip just to
It works.
covered it up.
Can't even tell unless you're looking at it.
Yeah, it's right there. It's blocked.
Kind of regret not buying that.
What? Sorry, something. I regret a lot of things. Yes. Like buying that. So if you guys didn't know, he was a street race king of Sunnyside. He made like 700 horsepower at one point.
Wow.
And he had the dopest like flyby video ever. And then not too long after blew his motor.
Yeah. So not fun.
So Joe's Evo 9 actually has like really low miles. How many miles on it?
It's like 50,000.
Yeah, so
Today?
it's an Evo 9 that's not a pile of shit. So, I mean, that's really
Subjective to who you ask. It could be if you want it to be.
Let's go. Oh, and now he's recording with the GoPro.
冇電啊！
收皮啦。
講真啊，
誒，
得15% 電啊！
有冇充電器咩？架車？冇。我有充電器，但我唔知有冇同個電池。我係5，
我係 USB-C 啊！
我有一條 USB-C 線。
我都冇得插電。
嚇？
我冇得插電啊！我嘢。
Well.
Oh well.
Well, looks like
Nothing with my phone.
no vloggy.
Yeah. It was clean though. I left this well.
This thing's hella funny.
I know. It fucks me up. It's even funnier when it just slips off randomly. And it
What?
just yeah. Because it's like I didn't really put it on right, so that's just me. So sometimes when you hit it, it just falls off into the collar and it's just spinning.
I'm surprised Joe didn't put something on wrong somehow.
Yeah, I put these. Yeah. So now you get both worlds. But I forgot my windshield wipers. So I took them off because I was cleaning the trim and I never put them.
So now we're on our way to what do you call it? Oh, what is this? Very confused.
are here now, Lemay Car Museum. Rolling in now, so. There's Ryan. Here now. My car's dirty. I really need to clean the inside real quick.
But like it goes super fast.
And you went through the
yeah.
Yeah.
I took
What's up, bro?
Morning, okay.
Sheldon out here shooting.
Yes, sir.
Shoot today. Where's there's Sam somewhere over there, and apparently somehow he parked here, so I don't know what's going on here. There's Rich in his NSX. That thing makes like 1,000 horsepower. There's Kenji's car.
It's not a hybrid at all yet. That transmission won't take it. The transmission will blow up.
It's Rich that makes his NSX that makes 700 horsepower. Glad to finally see this car again. Oh, this is Charles. Rich. That's his owner over there. One of his own 34s.
That's pretty.
I had to spray him. I know. So fucking pissed. Mark's car was throwing sparks earlier. And then obviously Rich's NSX again. And then John's FD. Clean EK. TEs. Concave and the OG bronze. Spoon calipers. SPG XLs. K-tune shifter. Spoon steering wheel. Full cage. Jay's racing wing. And then Ryan's 993 BBS LMs. Whoop. And then 997.1 or 0.2, I'm not sure. He had a conversion, GT3 bumpers, front and rear, BBS LMs. One of my favorites. R35 on, I forgot what those wheels are called, Advan. Kenji's car. A lot of Datsuns. So this is only some of the cars that showed up now. I believe rolling doesn't end until 11. Obviously, back to Joe's car. Sergio's still working hard.
Hard-working Mexican.
What are you doing?
They had me move it. I was cleaning the inner wheelbarrow,
Ah.
and they had me move it, so I had to re-clean it.
Oh my god.
I thought they were going to re-park them by the trash cans.
Here we go again. It's been by the porta potties. Oh my god. What a dad joke. And then you got Walter's 86. So with the Liberty Walk kit that he had designed. So I actually won the contest for that year where there were 3 cars that were built, and then whoever had the best design would win at SEMA and then go show around, and this was that car. You need to wipe the inside of your bumper.
Like the
Yeah.
Will I do it?
Hakosuka.
Those dudes are wild.
That's like us losing $80.
Yeah. I know. So they're coming back tomorrow?
Brad's coming back tonight, and then George hasn't bought his ticket yet.
He was like crying. He's like, "You gotta come to dinner for me, my birthday." I don't know, bro.
So Serge's car has the Jay's wing, and then it has a Renegade solid stands. Jay's diffuser. You have a spoon exhaust, right?
Yeah, spoon exhaust, first generation. It doesn't have a plaque on it.
Spoon, and then it has Type 1 license plate.
Type 1.
Type 1.
That is.
Kaylee. And then
that
I
the
think that's for
Z40s?
sure.
No.
No. And then spoon front clip, and then the JDM diffusers on the side, or are they they're not the JDM ones, whatever that guy's name is that makes the diffusers, right?
The clear diffuser?
Yeah, or is it the JDM ones?
I can't remember his name either.
Oops.
I got him on STKI.
Spoon, and
Is
then
that the same guy that
front lip.
Mike got his from?
No, so Mike, those are actually JDM.
Told me you should put the C's up front and then the Z's in the rear, and I was like tempted to, but then.
But they're
I
different
thought-
colors.
I know. That's why I thought. So if I recoat them, I might do that.
Introduce your car, Joe. When are we doing a story time? It's been ages.
Soon. Whenever, maybe next year, 2 years from now. No, we should though. It'd be cool. This is year 9 with this. So,
Year 9 years.
yeah. 9.
Oh, you had this since you were like 16, right?
17.
17, close
Yeah.
enough.
So 9 shitty iterations later.
I got him a free race Voltec splitter, and he ended up buying this piece of shit Varis bumper, and
Dude, I made out like a bandit on that dude.
I know you. Oh god.
Yeah. That was cool. Fun times.
I like those rotors and the C's. Varis.
Yeah, it's now
Yeah, the
has
doors.
Olin's, DFE's work tuned. New full brakes system got rebuilt. So CSR rotors, Project Mu club racer pads, and then Castro CRF or SRF racing fluids. So stops a lot better than last year.
Not like you're driving anyway, so.
Yeah, I know. So
Oh, and
it's
you're not on S drives anymore.
no, not on this side.
Oh. Oh
That's a
man,
name.
that must drive weird as fuck.
It is. It torque steers to the right.
Oh my god, that is so bad.
So when I was trying to do a pull with Charles, it just
Uh-huh.
like, huh, and I was like, all right, brown in the pants.
Oh my god.
Yeah, so that was fun though. But yeah.
I'm gonna sleep in, I got home at 4, and
Mr. Baller. Mr. Baller with the CR. How you doing?
I'm so tired right now.
I didn't sleep yet, so.
I went to bed at like 2 a.m. playing Apex with my friends.
Oh my god, dude. Oh, you have the RWE Hot Wheel in your car?
It took forever to find. Like, I went to like 5 different stores and I saw that.
I know, that was my favorite one. I bought I got 2 from my brother-in-law. He bought like 5.